In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create an enterprise drone artificial intelligence patrol route. The Matrice 4E will take off and automatically patrol an area whilst it detects people and vehicles. All of this is uploaded into FlightHub 2, where you and co-workers can view the live detections and make decisions in near real time. This is a perfect workflow if you conduct search and rescue missions, monitor wildlife such as deer in forests, monitoring an area for security purposes, and so much more. The AI patrol route function works with the Matrice 4E, 4T, Matrice 4D series and Matrice 400. Watch in 4K on your TV whilst you follow along in FlightHub 2 for real-time planning of your own AI patrol. Let's get started. So in order to start off, we need to enter our project. So on the left-hand side, you're going to click on Flight Route Library. And when you click on there, you will get the option just in the top left to click on the plus sign to create a route. So we'll click on that. We've already looked at a waypoint route and area route. So now what we want to look at is this one, the patrol route. And as you see, it blacks out the older enterprise drones, but what we're going to use is the Matrice 4E. You can also use the Matrice 4T, and I'll switch into that a little bit later. But at the moment, we'll use the Matrice 4E, and we'll just click on the OK sign. And from here, you'll get your panel on the left-hand side and your map in the middle. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is basically go to your location of interest that you want to create your patrol route area. So I'm going to just move up here by left-clicking the mouse button and then just dragging. And then I'm just going to zoom in slightly so we get a nice view of where I want to create my patrol route. Now, this could be used for anything, whether you're doing security or whether you're trying to search for someone or something, and you want the drone, in this instance, to move around automatically and detect what we want it to detect. So I'm going to draw my patrol route just along this path here. So we just collect our top bit, and I'm going to go onto the road, and you'll see why in a bit. And we'll just come down here, and we'll finish off our clicks. And all those numbers that you see, that's the meters between each of those sort of white dots that I've clicked. And you double click. And there we are. At the moment now, this is our patrol route. What you've got in the top left-hand corner of your control panel is basically the meters squared, the total area this patrol route covers, its distance. At the moment, it's the amount of time it's going to take for this patrol route to execute. And then on the right-hand side, it's what we want it to smart capture for us. So this on the left-hand side is where you're going to do all your programming. So when it's uploaded onto the RC+2 remote control, it will then sync to your aircraft, and you'll press play, and then it will start off. So in the first instance, you want to make sure that that little button there on the right is clicked on. So if you click off, it won't be doing the smart capture alerts. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to click it on. And then we can decide what we want to use as the smart detection type. So we're going to use visible light.